Hello guys, and welcome back to Goka TV. When I saw this news this morning, I was so delighted. Because it's high time that we Yorubas need to respect our traditional institutions and our cultures and stop bastardizing it everywhere. So this man, this Alhaji Abdulaziz Adebayo Olateju, he came out sometimes last week, to say that the Yorubas in Enugu, the Yoruba community had unanimously selected him as the Oba of Yoruba in Enugu. It's high time that we need, to put ourselves to order, because how can you have a Yoruba, Oba, outside of Yoruba land? It's impossible. People need to understand, the ramifications and also the traditions that comes with being an Oba. Being a prince myself, the son of a reigning king. It makes me angry when I see people just calling themselves Oba of Yoruba in Ireland, Oba of Yoruba in Gambia, Oba of Yoruba in Senegal. There are traditions, there are rites that take place. There is Ikpebi that every single Yoruba Oba needs to go through, which is a period of seclusion, a period of rites, a period of rituals that you need to perform. You need to come from a royal family. You need to come from a ruling house. You can't just wake up one day and say, "Oh, you are Oba of Yoruba in Enugu." This is nonsense. This is why I always applaud the Benin Kingdom. The Benin people don't bastardize their traditional institutions. It's always us, the Yorubas, that treat our traditions and our culture as trash and make people trample upon it. Very, very good. I'm very, very happy with this development. Nonsense.